Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Following that, scroll down again, click on Emergency Contacts and tap on Add Emergency Contact. Then tap on the one that you wish to apply. You can do exactly the same to the second and a third one. In order to remove one of them, click on this red icon next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Remember to check if the switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!